Getting a customer to buy from you is a good business, but getting that same customer to come back again and again is where the real deal is. So, how can you keep a customer to keep buying from you from time to time? In today's Saturday business series, I'll be addressing 4 ways you can make your customers to keep coming back to you. And the very interesting thing is that these 4 ways are not something that you have to invest huge amount of money into before it works. It's simply you and what you can do. So let's get started. The way number one we are treating today is deliver quality every time. There's no amount of advertisement that can save a poor product. If customers keep receiving the same high quality product from you every time they buy, they will trust you. And if they trust you, it means that they can come back to you anytime they are in need of that same product. It takes quality to get customers, but it takes consistent quality to make them loyal customers. Number two, treat every customer with respect. People will not forget how you treat them. It might be in the simple greeting, being honest. If a customer forgets anything in your place of business, for instance, can they vouch that they will get it back? You see, that little honesty will plant something in their mind that will keep drawing them back to you. Might just be the way you receive them, the little patience you exercise while you are dealing with them, the way you make them feel like king, because of course we know in business customers are king. So that little touch of your interaction with them, your patience with them, your honesty in calculating everything that has to do with their purchase will bring them back. Let me tell you, as little as 1,000 naira is enough to make somebody to keep driving down to your place of business every time. Why? Because they trust you. They know that you are somebody that is very open and you respect them. They will keep coming back. People may forget your price, whether you are selling at a very exorbitant price or not, but they will not forget your attitude whenever they come to you to buy. And that is why you must treat every customer with respect, whether they are buying very small quantity or they are buying big quantity. Give everybody equal respect, and this will keep them coming back to you. I know some people must have observed this in a line of shops selling almost the same thing. People keep flocking to a particular shop rather than branching off to the other. No matter the queue they meet, they still stand and wait. There is something that is keeping them. Something keeps bringing them back to that same shop again and again. Another very important way of making your customers to keep coming back to you every time is by keeping in touch after sales. Don't just collect your money and forget about them. Once they come, you have respected them, you have treated them well, and you have their contacts. You can reach out to them. Oh, hope you're enjoying the product. Thanks for your patronage. That little message, that little gesture will make your business to remain fresh in their mind. Follow up on them and tell them if there's a new product you have in store. You can advertise, let them know. You keep in touch with them. Don't make them to just buy. After receiving the payment, you just let them go that way. Keep their contact and make sure you are in touch with them from time to time. You know why? Follow up makes one-time customers to turn to loyal customers that can keep coming back every time they need what you are selling. Number 4 and the last is keep your promises. Keep your promises. If, for instance, you have promised them that your perfume can last all day, make sure that that perfume does exactly that. Don't advertise and you build their hope and you make the expectation to be high, meanwhile the product is nothing close to what you promised. So keep to your promise. Make sure you work on your product to deliver exactly what you have said. When your word matches with what the experience with your product, it will lead to trust naturally. And once customers can trust you, I tell you, you have them coming back every time they are in need. So guys, these are the 4 ways you can make your customers to keep coming. So let's recap. 1, you have to deliver quality every time. Make sure that you are consistent in the quality of products that you deliver. Then number 2, you have to make sure that you treat customers with respect. And again, you have to be in touch after payment. Don't abandon them after payment. And lastly, you have to keep your promise. Make sure that your product delivers exactly what you promised them. These 4 ways we have discussed now may seem very simple, but they are actually very, very important in any business. If you want your business to grow, you must practice these 4 ways consistently so that you can secure the trust of your customers. If you do that, it will surprise you the huge increase you are going to experience in your business. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. If you are new to our channel, please, this is the Unique Home Solutions and more. Here we take tutorials on how to produce cleaning products and also share business ideas for small scale businesses. And also we talk about how to produce oil perfume and build a business around them. So if you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to our channel, like this video and share to your friends. Until next week Saturday, we'll see you again. Bye.